Hey guys, welcome to the DreamWrite franchise platform. This is something we are very excited about. This is our Windows-based program that you can download and install on your computer or your laptop if you are a part of the web technologies and take full advantage of. It allows you to keep track of your customers. It allows you to keep track of the leads that are generated from your websites, your subsites. It allows you to keep track of things like your call center options with your voice over IP, and it also allows you to do some marketing by making you more efficient with your social media. Let me give you a quick tour of the software. Keeping track of your customers is now extremely easy to do. Using the DreamWrite franchise platform, you simply click on the customers tab on the left. You'll see a list of all your current customers, which you can sort, you can alphabetize, you can create your own columns here to help manage that information. By simply right-clicking in an area, you can create a brand new customer, fill out information such as company name, first name, last name, email, all this contact information. You can keep track of multiple addresses, multiple phone numbers. We've even given you an option to keep notes on the customer as well. So simply right click again, click say new note here, and just like that you can enter information to the system, so it's extremely fast. You'll notice a tab here called Call Center Calls. This is in regard to the voice over IP service that DreamWrite offers. If you have a local phone number, or if you're using the DreamWrite voice over IP service, when this customer calls into your number, the system will automatically match their caller ID and keep track of how many times that person has called. It will even tell you information as to what happened to the call when it came in, as to who it was routed to or how it was routed, their ID numbers, what number they actually dialed. So it'll tell you if they dialed the 800 number versus the local number, like your personal local number. That's part of the voice over IP. But this information is all stored inside the application, so you could see this now in real time. We have a leads button here. This information inside the DreamWrite franchise platform is populated automatically by your subsite. So when a client uses the contact form on your subsite, that information will show up automatically inside your DreamWrite franchise platform. It matches their zip code to your area to match it to your franchise. It's all automated, and you can use the application to manage those. The system also has what we call franchisee options. By clicking this, you can keep track of course, your franchise information, your primary address, your shipping address there, and save that as contact information. Underneath that, you'll see that this is where we have the call center options. Now, if you have DreamWrite voice over IP service and we gave you a new local phone number, when you dial that number, you can decide if the call center answers that call or not. The question is asked, when should calls be delivered to the call center? If you have it selected always, then the call center operators will always answer your call. You can also decide to have it on or off during call center hours or after hours. And if you click never, that means that the call that comes in your local voice over IP number will ring straight to your voice over IP phone. Or you could decide that that number rings directly to an alternative call destinations, which could either be your extension, make your phone ring, or something like your home number or your cell phone number if you wanted it to ring there. You can also leave notes for the call center here as well, special instructions on how to handle your call or messages if you do decide to take advantage of the call center. By clicking save at the bottom, that saves that information, and the call center will automatically be notified of this information. Another nice feature of the DreamWrite franchise platform is this page here that we call the social media page. Now what this does is allows you to link up your business Twitter, your business Facebook pages, and some other social media sites that we'll be adding to it very shortly, and update them all from this application. So you don't actually have to go to twitter.com to update your status. You can do them all from this page here. So you could use our application to update multiple social media accounts at one time, which is very effective and very quick. We may be adding other options very shortly in the future, such as the ability to automate messages, which would allow you to create a database of messages and decide at a later time for them to go out automatically to your social media sites. Let me show you how fast the DreamWrite franchise platform will help you increase your SEO. We've built in something we call the social media manager. Right, here's the application. And on the social media page, I can simply type real quick a message such as posting to Twitter will increase your SEO. I've got the option of choosing multiple social medias. We'll be adding even more as we go. I simply click the button that says quick post. The application will pop up telling me that my post has been sent, just like this. And if I come over to the Twitter page, before I even point to it, my message is already refreshed on the screen here. For Monitor Closely franchisees, you will want to pay close attention to this. The Customers tab in the application is where you will put your actual franchise customers. For example, I've got ABC Corp. Joe Smith here. This is an example. If I double click his information here, it gives me a pop-up showing me all of his contact information. You'll notice that there is a tab at the end here called Video Servers. By clicking this tab, this will list out all the different video servers that this particular customer of yours owns. So if he owns multiple locations, he might have multiple video servers. By right-clicking and saying New, I get a window that pops open that is asking me all the information about a brand new video server. So I can choose the type of server that he might have. I can put the name, like by naming this particular server, if we called it Hardy's Location 1, for example. I can give my customer a login and password. Now that is to the website. That would be your subsite. So when a customer goes to your subsite, your Monitor Closely site, and clicks on View My Cameras, types in his username and password, this is the username and password. So you'll be able to control that. By successful login of your customer, it automatically opens up their viewer based upon this information that you're going to type in here, such as video server address, the server login, the server password, and the port there. You could also leave notes about this particular system here for your own convenience. And at the bottom down here, we've even given you a little camera inventory system that allows you to list out the cameras that go with this particular DVR system that you've installed. So if you had 5 cameras, you can actually name them and name the location of where they are, so that it makes it easier to find or for support reasons there.